when you do this first position and you hold the racket, it's just to make sure the grip is relaxed, you see? It's not continental grip here. It's not also too much close, you see? You can look and your hand is relaxed. That's why you stop in the first position. And another reference is when you finish, to finish with the racket straight, you see? Not like that, straight. And this is more for beginners. For example, then later you can start like me, like that, or you can just prepare like this, or the ball is too fast and you do this. This is just the beginning for you to get used to the grip. A short break here because I just saw that 88% of you are still not subscribed to my channel. So if you find these tips valuable, please subscribe. And now let's get back to our video and to our tips. You are here, racket like that, instead of here, racket in this position. 1, you rotate your shoulders here, okay? And then 2, you separate your racket and your hand, okay? Double step, okay? And then you play and you stay like this, okay? Look, when you do 1, you are doing here, you are doing 1, 2, double step, and the racket is always here. You need to do, you are here, you don't need to do a split step, but 1, okay? And you need to do this step here and rotate your shoulders, okay? You can even, if you do here, and if you just rotate your shoulders, the racket is here, and you didn't do anything with this hand. Then you can just hand, okay? So you do 1 at the same time, and then when you do the second step, second, and you are already separate, you see, the racket is here, you do 2, and you do this, okay? And then double step, and when you play, you need to play here and stay, and not moving. You see my leg here, a little bit up, try to finish in this position. 1, you can start here, and now 1, 1. If you start on the line, you see here, if you are here, the first step is also to the line, okay? 1, imagine you want to walk in that direction. 1, here. When you do 1, 1 here, 2, double step, you are going to the ball and you are not going like this, you see? You need to go and go down at the same time. 1, 2, double step, and you are already down, ready to play and move forward and up. Like the plane taking off, you need to move forward and up. You see? Yeah, you stay here, sorry. But here, you are down and you play and you stay here. You see? And for him, if you feel the need to move forward, you can go. Even you, I said to you to stay here. If you feel that your body want to go, go. 1, 1. Prepare, yes. Okay, good. While you prepare, okay, last 2 minutes. While you prepare the racket, you open the racket or you do this loop, okay? But this hand, you can keep it, you don't need to move. You just move this, 1, 2, double step. You can point to the ball either with your hand or with your elbow, and the ball is here, okay? That's 1, 1, 2, double step, yes, good. 1, 2, double step, yes, good. When you are doing 1 here, you are doing 1, now you prepared, but you prepare the racket and this hand went to this side, okay? This is gonna leave this. You're gonna open the body and you're gonna play too much cross court, okay? So you do 1 and keep your hand here to keep your body sideways here, okay? Then only when you play, you rotate this. You do this. Another thing, you can get close maybe. For you and it's for you also. When you do this first position and you hold the racket, it's just to make sure the grip is relaxed, you see? It's not continental grip here. It's not also too much close, you see? You can look and your hand is relaxed. That's why you stop in the first position. And another reference is when you finish, to finish with the racket straight, you see? Not like that, straight. And this is more for beginners. For example, then later you can start like me, like that, or you can just prepare like this, or the ball is too fast and you do this. This is just the beginning for you to get used to the grip. For example, you are playing with him and I'm not here. The only reference you have is to put the racket here and your hand. And when you finish, if you are playing together, for example, and you finish like that, you know that you changed the grip. Otherwise, your racket would be here. Because if you do with this grip and you answer the phone, imagine you answer the phone, there is no way to do this. Your wrist is too much in pain here. So you will finish. And you have the reference when you are alone. If you reach this far in the video, I truly believe that my book is made for you. I help you overcome the beginning challenges that you face when you start your tennis journey. I help you with the basic technique with your forehand, backhand, volley, smash, and serve. And if you follow that steps, you're gonna work on your basic and the best foundations to have a really good progress in tennis. And with the good foundations, you can start to improve faster, and you just add more hours and you start to see your level going up, up, up. So I truly believe this is for you. Check the link below in the description, and now let's get back to our video. Thank you. One here, two toe step. Okay. I'm not gonna say five. Just go forward at least, or you stay or you move. Never back. You are hitting the ball. You are hitting, but you are more worried or going back than actually hitting the shot. Okay. You need to. The shot starts here, okay, and then you play the ball. Okay, and you recover, and the forehand starts and finish here. But first, you need to move. To move, you need to transfer your body weight to the ball. So if you are here, you need to move with the ball, and only after you need to recover. Okay. Here, and then you recover. Okay, and then the ball is shorter. You go close stance, and if the ball is back, or if the ball forces you to go back, you need to adapt and go back, and then recover to get your position again. So you need to do here, this, boom, boom.